In this segment, I will discuss section D. Section D consists of 4 questions, 5 marks each. The question will be little bit lengthier. Don't take more than 30 minutes. If any question stuck, please leave, calculate other question and come back afterwards when the time permits. Okay. So let us start what type of question from this sample paper I will discuss. So first question they are asking, uh, velocity and speed type question. A motorboat whose speed is 18 km per hour, still water, takes 1 hour more to get 24 km upstream, means against the speed of the stream, and then to downstream to same spot find the speed of the stream. So let's take speed of the stream is x. So for upstream the speed will be slower, relative speed will be 18 minus x, because it is the still water, it is 18. So 18 minus x upstream. For downstream the speed will be 18 plus x relative speed. So if you put this in the equation for 24 kilometer, so for upstream the time will be less, 24 minus divided by 18 minus 24, 18 plus x. So this will be 1 hour. So for this, from this you can make an equation and calculate the value of x. X will be 6, that is the speed of the stream. Okay. 2 water taps, this is having another alternate question. 2 water taps together can fill a tank of 3 by 8 hours. The tap of large diameter takes 10 hours less than the smaller one to fill the tank separately. Find the time in which each tap can separately fill the tank. Now total time both can take, that is this part, that is 75 by 8. For 1 hour it will be 8 by 75 part. Okay. So the larger one, how much time takes? 10 hours more than smaller one. So if you take smaller one x, so larger one will take x minus 10 hours. Okay. So find the time in which each tap can. So together they can fill in 1 hour 1 by x and 1 by x minus 10. Larger and smaller. So in 1 hour both can fill 8 by 7 part. So this is the equation. You can make the equation like this, and x will after this you calculate the value of x will come out as 25. So ultimately x will be what? The smaller one takes the time, that is 25 hours. So larger one already 10 hours lesser, so it will be 15 hours. So this is the answer. Then state and prove basic proportionality theorem. For this part, it is your homework, it is given already in the textbooks. So this check in the book and prepare accordingly proportionality theorem. I will explain our second part. In the given figure CEF, this is a given figure CEF, this CEF and CFE, these two are given equal. This means in a triangle this part is this angle equal, this part will be automatic, EC CF will be automatically equal. F is the midpoint of DC, means F is the midpoint of DC. So again FD and FC equal, ultimately CE this. So this part equal. Okay, now F is the midpoint of DC. Prove that AB is complete one and BD, this smaller one, equal to AE, this one, divided by FD, this one. So how to prove? So for this, draw one line parallel to this B, let it be DG. So from parallel line theorem, proportionality theorem, we can get what? From this triangle, AB is complete by BD, AE by G. So AB by BD, AE by G. Now for the GDC, this triangle GD and GDC triangle, So take CE, sorry, this triangle, the CE, EG, this part, CF by FD, CF by FD, these two equal to 1. So GE equal to, ultimately CE equal to GE, this part equal to this part. Okay. Now if you dig G equal to, you got GE equal to CE. Okay, you can put CE here. Okay, again CE equal to CF, CE equal to CF, because these two angles are equal. So CF equal to FD. So ultimately this formula will be AE with by FD. See, so this point is proved here. Now next, water is flowing at the rate of 15 km per hour. So transfer it into meter per hour through a pipe of diameter 14 centimeter, take it to meter, into a cuboidal pond which is 50 meter long and 44 meter wide. In what time will the level of water in the pond rise by 21 centimeter? Take it to meter. So in the pond you can say for 21 centimeter how much water required. Length into breadth into what? Height. Height is 21 centimeter, 21 upon 100. So length, breadth and height multiply. So you will get the volume of water in the pond 462 meter cube. Okay. So 460 meter cube you need to fill. By which? By the rate of 15 km per hour through a pipe. So 15 km, 15,000 meter per hour, diameter 14 by 100, so the 7 by 100 is the radius, 7 by 2 is the radius, sorry, 7 is the radius. So make it to meter. So if you take the volume per hour, it will be pi r square length per hour, that is what of the water column moving. So it will be 15,000 meter per hour. Take level. Pi is 22 upon 7. R is the radius, that is 7 bar upon 100. 7 into 100, 7 into 100. So if we put this in 1 hour, this much water is flowing. How much water is going? You can get it. So for filling this much, to divide the volume of the pond divided by volume of the tube per 1 hour. So it will be around 2 hours. So 2 hour time will be required. Now last question, what should be the speed of the water level if it is in 1 hour? If the speed 15 km per hour, we need 2 hours. For 1 hour, if we have to fill same water, we need the speed to make it double, means 15 into 2, 30 km per hour will be the speed. This is also having a optional question. This is another question is given here. A tent is the shape of cylindrical surmounted by conical top, a cylinder. Therefore, above it is conical top. If the height of radius the cylindrical part is 3 meter and 14 meter respectively, radius 14, height is the cylinder 3, and the total height of the tent, total height from here to here 13.5, means height of the cone will be 10.5. So find the area of the canvas required for making the tent, keeping the provision of 26 meter square canvas for stitching and wastage. Wastage is 26 meter square. Also find the cost to purchase this. So by this, first of all, you need to find out the complete area. So area of cylinder is 2 pi rh. Area of this conical portion is pi rl. L means slant height. So for slant height, you have to take this formula, h square height square plus radius square. So from this you can get slant height 17.5. Put the value, all values are now okay. Pi r is 14, h is for cylinder 3, and L is per this one is 17.5. You will get 1034 meter square. Okay, so 1034 meter square is the area, but wastage is there. So take 26 meter square wastage. So total canvas require 106 meter square. That is the answer. But also one question is there. 500 per meter square is purchase rate. So how much cost will be there? To total cost will be multiplied by 500. It will be around area multiplied by 500. It will be 5,30,000. So this is the question. Little bit lengthy. So 4 question, maintain 6 minute time maximum for each question. 6 to 7 minutes. Next, the median of the following data. Median of the following data 5, 50. This is a data given, median given 50. Find the values of P and Q if the sum of all frequencies is 90. Also find the mode of the data. So you have to find out the unknown values P and Q. Then this is the frequency. So what will be the data table? Let us see cumulative frequency. So first put the cumulative frequency here, depending on the classes, that is P plus 15, P plus 40. Likewise, last one will be P plus Q plus 78. They have given total frequency is 90. Total frequency 90. This means last one will be, this will be your 90. Put 90. So P plus Q will get 12. Okay. Now mode they have given 50. Mode they have given 50. So for mode we know the class interval, the formula is lower limit frequency by 2 minus C. C is the previous one. So in divided by frequency of the limit. That means if you take that from the table, this will be 50. We are taking this one 50 n by 2, 90 by 2. C means cumulative frequency. C P plus 40 and divided by frequency 20. So put the value, you will get what you will get? P equal to, you will get the value of P, that is P equal to 5. Okay, so P equal to 5, Q equal to P plus Q equal to 12, so Q will be definitely 7. From this you can generate the values of P and Q. Now it is having another part of question, also find the mode of the data. Let me ask you, please derive the mode and answer in the comment. Let me see, it is your homework part, and hope you will give the reply and it will be helpful for you. Thank you for listening.